I am Gail.
And I am Mark.
We are the Roses.
And we're owners helping owners.
What are some of the things every owner should bring on their Club Wyndham vacation? Bring your kitchen.
And that simply means pack those coolers.
You can use what you've got at home and begin to, plan your meals from that.
What's the best way to travel as a large group?
With a lot of patience. Be sure to pack a lot of patience.
Well, when we think of a large group, we're thinking of a family reunion. So we're inviting all the family members, wherever they are, to come and join us at a resort.
Get your date out early so that people can plan to come.
How do I use guest confirmations?
Maybe you have a young couple that's just gotten married. Maybe you want to help them on their honeymoon, to have a vacation place.
And send them as your guest. You make the reservation for them, and then you put in their name, their address, and their email.
Why should I become a Club Wyndham VIP? Well, here are two reasons, two words. One, upgrades, and one, discounts.
The more points that you have, the more vacation power comes to you.
And we have been to 19 different states, to 44 different Wyndhams. That does not mean just 44 times, because we've been back to several times. So what's my favorite? Maybe where I am, maybe what I'm doing.